If you're in the market for a versatile, powerful, and convenient blender that can effortlessly handle your smoothie cravings, this Topzee blender might just be the kitchen companion you need. This review delves into every aspect of this blender, from its performance to its ease of use and why it stands out among the competition. One of the most striking features of the Topzee blender is its 1000 watts motor, which delivers impressive ice-crushing power. Whether you're blending frozen fruits for a refreshing smoothie or crushing ice for a cocktail, this blender does it all with ease. The powerful motor ensures that even the toughest ingredients are smoothly blended, leaving you with a consistent and silky texture every time. Imagine a hot summer day where a cold, frosty drink is just what you need. The Topzee blender delivers this experience with perfect results every time. If you're a fan of milkshakes, the Topzee blender's 24-ounce cup is designed to make the process as easy and enjoyable as possible. The blender effortlessly combines milk, ice cream, and your favorite fruits or syrups, create thick, creamy, and delicious milkshake. Quality of the blend is such that every sip is smooth, without the gritty texture that some blenders leave behind. This feature alone makes it a must-have for milkshake enthusiasts. Cleaning a blender can often be a cumbersome task, but the Topzee blender has made it as simple as possible. Both the smoothie blender cups and the to-go lids are dishwasher safe, allowing you to clean up with minimal effort. After a busy day, the last thing you want to do is spend time scrubbing your blender. With Topzee, you can simply pop the parts into the dishwasher and let it do the work for you. This feature is particularly valuable for those who use their blender daily and need quick and easy cleanup. The Topzee blender isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your active lifestyle. Whether you're preparing a post-workout protein shake, quick smoothie before heading to the office, or a refreshing drink after an outdoor adventure, the Easy Go cup is the perfect companion. Its 24-ounce capacity is ideal for those on the move, and the durable design ensures that it can withstand the rigors of an active lifestyle. Whether you're into fitness, rock climbing, swimming, or any other outdoor activity, this blender cup will keep up with you. Topzee goes above and beyond by offering extensive services and warranties that add significant value to your purchase. The blender comes with a 3-year full machine service, which provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Additionally, the brand offers a 5-year accessories service, which ensures that any parts you may need down the line are readily available. This level of customer support is a testament to the brand's confidence in its product and its commitment to customer satisfaction. In summary, the Topzee blender for smoothies is more than just a blender. It's a reliable kitchen tool that offers exceptional performance, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're making ice-cold drinks, creamy milkshakes, or healthy smoothies, this blender delivers outstanding results with minimal effort. The dishwasher safe components, portable design, and robust warranty make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. For those who value efficiency, durability, and quality, Topzee blender is a worthy investment that will serve you well for years to come. With its powerful motor, easy cleanup, and thoughtful design, it's a blender that meets the needs of both casual users and serious smoothie enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.